Welcome back to our channel. How are you doing? Everything is going well. We'll tell you this, it's almost our younger sister's birthday. So Mom made a birthday cake for her, and she wants a Shopkin birthday cake, which is ice cream cake. Now just follow Mom into her world to watch her doing that cake. And first is, of course, the cake itself. Please see the list of the ingredients in description below. There are lots of things including eggs, milk, oil, all-purpose flour, cornstarch, vanilla, baking powder, sugar, and cream of tartar. Now just separate the eggs. Be careful with this. The egg white needs to be clean without any traces of egg yolk. And one more thing is the eggs need to be in room temperature. Whisk the egg yolks. Add the milk, oil, and vanilla to the egg yolks. Continue to whisk. Now sift 2 all-purpose flour, cornstarch, and baking powder to the batter. Whisk until all combined. Add more vanilla for your desire. Set it aside. In the mixing bowl, whisk the egg whites with cream of tartar until it's bubbling. Sprinkle all sugar to the mixing bowl with lowest speed. After that, speed up to whisk to 8 until it reaches a stiff peak. Stiff peak means it can hold its point up when you take out the whisk. Now divide egg whites into 3 parts. Scoop 1 part of the egg white to the egg batter. Use the whisk to whisk it until it's all combined. Now scoop the second part to the batter and fold it together. Use the fold method in this stage. Be careful, not too hard. If you go wrong in this step, the cake will sink after baked. Pour the batter to the 6 inches cake pan lined with parchment paper on the bottom. Tap it into the countertop to let some bubbles out. Bake cake in 350 Fahrenheit oven at the second rack from the bottom for 22 minutes or until you see the cake reach the highest oven spring. Lower the heat to 325 Fahrenheit and bake it for another 23 minutes or until the cake is done. When take the cake out of the oven, let the cake cool upside down on rack for at least 30 minutes. It helps our cake from sinking too much, and after that, let it cool completely on rack before taking it out. We're done with the cake. It's light and smells super good too. If you don't have time to continue like Mom, just put it in the fridge with no cover. Yep, no cover. You would end up with a mushy cake. Now with the buttercream, we need 1 cup of room temperature butter. It needs to still keep it in shape, not too mushy and oily. Whisk the butter in the mixing bowl until you see it changes to pale color. Pour in 2 cups of confectioners, sugar at the time. Use the lowest speed at first and speed up after you see all the sugar combine. Now pour in 2 teaspoons of milk to the butter. Whisk again until you see it smoother and fluffier. Now it's time to flavor our buttercream, yay! She wants strawberry buttercream inside the cake, so she scooped out enough buttercream to the bowl and poured in strawberry jam and mix it up. Cut the cake in half, fill it with strawberry buttercream. She also wants to make the pretend ice cream on top of the cake. So Mom cut off the top of the cake and keep that. Now cover with the whole cake with buttercream. This step is called crumb coat, so don't worry too much. It will look messy at first, ha 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 ha. This is the 4th cake Mom made in her life until now, ha 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 ha. Now excuse her for the clumsiness. Ta-da, it's done. So just put it back to the fridge for at least 1 hour to chill for easier later coat. Remember the cutting top of the cake? It's here, just crumble it and mix it with buttercream and shape it into a ball. Keep it in the fridge. Mom made another batch of buttercream, but just half of the recipe before, and color it with deep pink color. The color looked beautiful, right? Take the cake out from the fridge and cover it with another coating. Just try her best to smooth the coating. Use the scraper to smooth the cake. Is a good idea right after done coating. Put it straight back to the fridge to chill. Not so bad, huh? Now we made the ganache. We need 1 cup of white chocolate chips and 1/3 cup of heavy cream. And microwave it for 30 seconds. Mix it well after that. Mom uses a lemon yellow. Just use as much as it reaches the color you want it to be. Wait it for it cool down to the room temperature before pour it into the cake. The cake is out. Pour the ganache slowly over the cake. Be slowly so you can control how much it covers and dripping over the cake. This is a cake ball, remember? Cover it with the ganache to put it on top of your cake. Use the ice cream cone on top of it while it's still running. Sprinkle around to make it look real. Now put it straight to the fridge to chill it before the final step. It's time for our little hands in the kitchen. Mom used the ready-to-use fondant for use to decorate the cake. Mom said the fondant is hard at first, but the more you knead, the softer it becomes, so just knead. With the eyes of the Shopkins, we need white, black, and teal colored gel. So just color it, knead it, and cut it. Easy, right? Now stick it together with water. Isn't it easy? You can see that the water is a little red. It's because of the brush we used to stick it on. Now stick the eyes to our beautiful cake with water. Make the nose and mouth too. And sprinkle some sprinkles. It's time to celebrate. Oh yeah, I love celebrating birthdays. Now slice it to see how it looks. Please take a picture before you do this because it looks too beautiful. Also, of course, taste it. It's moist and fluffy inside. The frosting you could taste, the strawberry too, but it's sweet. So just eat a small slice to taste it all. It's best, okay? Hope you enjoy our video. Let's say happy birthday to Teddy, which is my younger sister. See you in the next video. Bye!